Alright peeps, the bonus features of not having your missus. Alright, let's do it buddy. Open up the washing.
Oh Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Oh
it's
Jesus.
hot. It's hot baby. It's hot baby.
Oh, that's actually steaming.
There it is.
There's something clean in there.
Oh well, you gotta clean it.
That feels good.
That's good.
Oh, it's just so
Nice and
steamy.
clean, bro.
It's so steamy, that's it.
Whoop whoop. Alright peeps, yeah, well, long day. We've got everything cleaned up, all taken apart. So it's just a block head, bottom girdle, and yeah, so everything's all good. Everything's all clean. Cleaned up everything as well, cleaned up the pistons as well. And I reckon I'm going to use them as feet. Something like, you know, so 4 of those, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm still not sure if I'm going to use the pan. Yeah, I might have to still, because I reckon I need to put, that's where I'm going to put the power supply in the actual bottom pan itself. But everything there is all good. So I've just been looking at the actual head itself. This thing was absolutely shot. So it was low on compression on one. I didn't do a compression test, but the cylinder, the actual rings were compressed in, so it would have been low on number one easy. So I'm not sure exactly what I need to do to yeah, pop it in now. So I'm gonna just do some measurements and see what I'm gonna fit. It's harder getting the mini ITX boards, motherboards. If I can run full boards, then that'd be awesome, but I'm just not sure if I can do that, that's all. So yeah, I've just got to have a look at a couple of things, and if what we can run, like we can just do a board. It's just the graphics card's just so big, that's all. That's my only downside of this thing. So yeah, I need to run, and I need to run 2 separates in here. So that's what that's the only the real bad thing, that's all. So if we can just try to, yeah, work out of whereabouts it can go, You know, I'm trying to do it at an angle or something like that, and then with the actual valve cover, I'll actually have it like that. Obviously, we just with some bolts suspending it up, and just so it looks like it's so you can actually see inside the actual, you know, the valve train sort of thing. Obviously, I'm still going to have an exhaust manifold with turbo sitting there, turbo, and an inlet manifold with a plenum design, front main intercooler, all that stuff as well. And obviously for the cooling, I was thinking, alright, so for cooling, I'm thinking, because I've got water ports here, and I can use that water output, so I'm thinking I do a plate, I plate it up, but to do this, I would need to literally cut this out. I was thinking about plating it, and then I could just drill and tap where I want, say like for one CPU, I'd, you know, drill into that and like so, and then all the outlets can come out of this as such. Not sure exactly if that's what I'm going to do, but I'm just having a couple of little ideas. So yeah, but all in all good. Alright peeps, I thought I would just yeah, give you some updates on it. I've still got to get some parts and stuff like that, but I'm just yeah, getting all the ideas happening. So yeah, if any of you yeah, computer gurus got anything, any good ideas or anything like that, let me know. Because yeah, just making sure that that's what's gonna, yeah, it's gonna happen like that. If I can get I'll have to get another graphics card, and as I said, the two RTX motherboards, just the mini motherboards, and that'll be enough to yeah, start the build pretty much. So yeah, that's where it's at, guys. So yeah, I'll leave the video on this one. So obviously make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. See you peeps.